Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales showing you our 76 Chevy Blazer. It's a Chalet model, factory made campers out of them. They made a couple thousand in 76 and 77. This one would need a restoration. You can see the rust. It's a Bondo in the hood at one time, faded. Come out of Western South Dakota, the factory 400 vehicle. Rusty front fenders. Got good tread on the tires, we put them on. Doors kind of, got some dings in it. Door maybe would be salvageable. We've got some rust on the inside, so you probably don't want to put a door on it. Rockers are bad. There's the interior of the seats. They need to be redone. That's not a big deal. Dash pad, but it is complete. Air vehicle. 2,534, so I would assume that's 102. And there's the view from the back camper. See, they put some silicone over the years here and there. We all know what the 70s campers were like. This guy who owned it got really happy with silicone. So he actually in silicone the door shut, and I just got it open. Here you can see the door is going to need a little work on that inner panel, but like I said, it needs a restoration. We'll get up inside here. There you can see you want to recover the bed or couch, whatever. You can sit right here. And then it's got a bed up there too. The top, the springs must be bad in the top. So that's going to need some work. I have no idea what that takes to fix. But this was a higher level one because it had a stove and a refrigerator in it. Some of them didn't have that stuff, so this is a higher level one. But the carpet's pretty decent in it. Of course, if you're going to restore it, you want to go all out and redo that, but there's a spot for your table. Camper part itself, except for some silicone around the windows, seems to be in good shape. Got some fading. Like I said, you can see the door. It says Blazer Chalet. Quarters rusty on both sides. Like I said, it's definitely a northern truck. Got some rust, but pretty cool. Not many of these around. You'd be the only one in the campsite that would have one. And broken windshield, which that's a minor detail. So watch the video of driving it and also of it running. And then if you have any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.